Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using Yahoo Finance. Yahoo Finance, finance.yahoo.com, remains a popular online resource for financial news, data, and market analysis. It provides a wealth of information for investors of all levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. Whether you're tracking individual stocks, researching market trends, or building a diversified portfolio, Yahoo Finance offers a comprehensive suite of tools and resources to support your financial journey. The platform offers real-time stock quotes, interactive charts, historical performance data, and up-to-the-minute news impacting the markets. One of the standout features of Yahoo Finance is its user-friendly interface. Navigating the site is generally straightforward, allowing you to quickly find the information you need. The homepage provides a snapshot of major market indices, trending stories, and personalized watch lists. You can easily customize your view to focus on specific sectors, industries, or even individual companies. Creating and managing watch lists is simple and allows you to track the performance of assets you're interested in. Beyond basic market data, Yahoo Finance also provides access to in-depth financial analysis, expert commentary, and educational resources. You can find articles and videos covering a wide range of investment topics, from fundamental analysis to technical trading strategies. The platform also features a community forum where users can discuss market trends, share investment ideas, and connect with other investors. While the site is free to use, some premium features may require a subscription. However, it's important to note that while Yahoo Finance is a valuable resource, it shouldn't be your sole source of information. Always consider consulting with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Independent research and due diligence are crucial for successful investing. Remember, the information provided on Yahoo Finance is for informational purposes only and doesn't constitute financial advice. While Yahoo Finance is a powerful tool, it has its limitations. Some users have reported occasional data inaccuracies and technical glitches. Furthermore, the sheer volume of information available can be overwhelming for new investors. It's important to approach the platform with a critical eye and to verify information from multiple sources. Despite these minor drawbacks, Yahoo Finance remains a valuable resource for anyone interested in the financial markets.